This is the BNSF building here in Castle Rock, Colorado. I've never been at it before, but we did find a coal train coming through here. Me and my boys are over there filming. Here's the Castle Rock mesa right behind here. It's like has the starlights up at night, flagpole up there. It's December, wintertime. December 7th. But even if it's Colorado, when the sun comes out like it does every day here, it seems, it's nice and warm. So far our time in Colorado has been pretty good. There's the other train at the yard here sitting. It's always sitting here and running every time we've seen it. Don't really know what it's used for, unless it's used to help trains out that get stuck on climbs. A lot of altitude adjustments here in Colorado. Well, the trains are just as long out west as they are out east, but so far the ones I've seen aren't going through small towns at 65 miles an hour. Might be why less derailments out west than there are out east. Here comes two more BNSF engines up ahead as the rear end. Gabriel, two more engines coming. Yeah. Hey Easton, two more engines this way. I think they are going up in altitude, ever so slightly with a full load like this. Looks like those engines are definitely working hard.